Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer investor LP documents with Mainvest, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer investor LP documents with Mainvest, begin by logging into. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section on your dashboard. In the Documents section, look for the folder containing your investor LP documents. Select the specific document you wish to transfer. Click on the Share or Transfer option, usually found near the document details. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the recipient. Make sure to double-check the email address for accuracy. After entering the email address, customize the message if desired. Review the permissions settings to ensure they align with your intended sharing options. Once everything looks correct, click the Send or Transfer button. The recipient will receive an email notification about the document transfer. They will need to follow the link in the email to access the document. After clicking the link, the recipient may be prompted to log into their Mainvest account. If they do not have an account, they will need to create one to view the document. Once logged in, they can access the transferred LP documents in their own Documents section. Confirm with the recipient that they have successfully received and accessed the document. If any issues arise, refer to Mainvest support section for assistance. You have now successfully transferred investor LP documents with Mainvest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.